This is for Cultural Week 2025 that was held in the month of August.
Parents should come.
Parents, you are also requested to please accompany with your children. Numbers, second, Alvina Sumaira Hassan.
Parents can stand on this side, they will join.
Okay, parents, principals are requested that parents will also come on the stage with their words. Alvina Sumaira Hassan, second English Poetry Recitation Competition. Next, Zahran Imtiaz, second Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Please put your hands together for them. They really deserve this. Ruha Ibra Islam from Nasir Kamelia, third English Poetry Recitation Competition. Rosaina Riyad Izana Nasir Azalia, third Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Sandhuvi Suman Das, Nasiri Kamelia, third English Poetry Recitation Competition. Congratulations, all of you. Sarham is absent. Sarah Mariam, Nasiri Kamelia, fourth Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Congratulations. Tashahud Zaim Hussein, Nasiri Gardenia, fifth Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Maliha Zahra Nasiri Magnolia, sixth English Poetry Recitation Competition.
And next we have Waraka Serish from KG Rose. She secured second position in English Poetry Recitation Competition. Waraka Serish.
Juni, also please announce the parents should come from the left and
We would request the respected parents to accompany all the winners. If you please come near the stage and accompany them. Parents are requested to come and accompany their kids here.
Yes, you can stand with your kids.
Parents from the left, child from the right.
Okay, we have in our right the kids, and in the left, we would request the parents to come and wait for your kids to be on the stage. Thank you. Next comes Alisha Manzoor from KG Sunflower. She secured the first position in English Poetry Recitation Competition.
Thank you. Well,
Next comes Mahnur Samara Audrey from KG Marigold. She stood second in Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition.
walaikum assalam. Thank you, sir.
We have Ayana Ahmed Chaudhary from KG Marigold.
Thank you, sir. Well done.
She is the third position holder in English Poetry Recitation Competition.
Oh, I see. Pony.
And next comes Tashriq Ahmed Izan from KG Marigold. Tashriq is the third place winner in Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. And we have Saida Nusaiba Amatullah from KG. She stood first in Bangla Poetry Recitation and third in English Poetry Recitation. A big round of applause for her. Congratulations. Next we have Abrar Hassan Afan from KG. He secured third position in English Poetry Recitation Competition. Abrar Hassan.
Congratulations.
And then we have Arham Nazi from KG Tulip. He secured fourth position.
Absent.
Next we have Araf Zubair from KG Sunflower. He secured fourth position in Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Fayaz Abrar Rodipta from KG Sunflower. Rodipto, okay. KG Sunflower, and he secured fourth position in Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition.
So nice. Mashallah.
Now, Aisha Aniza KG Marigold, fifth English Poetry Recitation Competition. Congratulations.
She's nice.
Abrar Karim, Standard 1, Rosabel, first Kirat Competition. Kirat Competition. Nusaiba Nawar, Standard 1, Rosabel, first dance competition. Please put your hands together because she has performed today on our victory day. 20. Okay. Anisha, Tasmin, Mariam, Standard 1, Avena, first Hamnat competition. Okay. Wania Rashmina Hawk, Standard 1, Aurora, second English Poetry Recitation Competition. Wania.
Thank you so much. Very nice.
Now, here comes Samlina Azim. First storytelling competition, second Bangla poetry recitation competition, second music competition, and fourth Kirat competition. So many prizes together. Please put your hands together for her.
Wow, come here, come here. Yes, sister. Look at the camera. Mashallah, mashallah. Thank you, very well.
Next we have Miftaul Jannat Mariha, Standard 1 Rosabel, first music competition. Okay, sir. Miftaul Jannat Mariha, first music competition, first storytelling competition, third English poetry competition, and fourth Kirat competition. Huge round of applause for the family too. Mother and parents, you may come on the stage. Congratulations. A big round of applause for her and her mother, father, all of them. Falak Naz Ahmed Irfan, Standard 1, Aurora, third Bangla poetry competition, third dance competition, and third storytelling competition. 3 prizes together. Congratulations, Falak Naz. Okay, now Rushda Anjum Bangla. She also got first English poetry recitation competition, third Bangla poetry recitation competition, second storytelling competition. 3 prizes together. A big round of applause for her. Congratulations to the parents too. Now here comes Farisha Zulkarnain, Standard 1 Aurora, third English poetry recitation competition.
Well, we have Inaya Mehrish from Standard 1 Yellow Bill as the third position holder in English poetry recitation competition. Congrats. Congrats, Inaya. Big round of applause, please. We have Iche Imrose from Standard 1 Aurora. She secured the third position in Bangla poetry recitation competition.
Volume check.
And next we have another little champ, that's Rehnuma Imam. She secured the first position in Bangla poetry recitation, fourth position in English poetry recitation. Congratulations, the proud mommy. Give a big round of applause, please. Congrats, Rehnuma. And then comes Rukaya Afsana from Standard 1 Rosabel.
Rukaya, here.
Congrats, Rukaya. She secured the fourth position in English poetry recitation competition. We have Nuwaida Nuzu, Standard 1 Rosabel. She secured second position in music competition. We have Aruni Rahman from Standard 1 Rosabel, and she stood third in music competition. Congrats, Aruni. Aruni also secured the third position in dance competition. A big round of applause, please. Congrats, Aruni. Then we have Anisha Mazabin from Standard 1 Rosabel, and she stood third in music competition. Next comes Tamid Hassan Shayan from Standard 1 Aurora. He stood second in Kirat competition. And then we have Tasmia Binte Rezwan from Standard 1 Avena. Congrats, Tasmia. Tasmia secured the third position in Kirat competition. And we have Manha Khan from Standard 1 Rosabel. She secured the third position in Kirat competition. Congratulations, Manha. Congrats to the proud family as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Sairi Rahman Shiza, first standard 1 Amelia, second storytelling competition. Second storytelling competition. Majid. We have Anaya Smita. Anaya Smita is absent. Alia Hussain, standard 2 Nightingale, first Bangla poetry recitation competition. Next we have Rufaida, standard 2 Kuku, first English poetry recitation competition, first dance competition. Congratulations! Huge round of applause for her. Rufaida Binte Rakib, first English poetry, first dance competition. Next we have Sabiha Mahanor Soha, absent. We have Srijita Tarafdar, standard 2 Robin, first music competition. We have Naim Islam Safwan, standard 2 Dao, first Kirat competition.
And next
Uindrila
comes,
Sarkar, standard 2 Peacock, first dance competition.
and next comes Kashif E. Shirnaz Ohan. Next we have Rabiba Rahman Rosa from Standard 2 Robin. She secured the second position in Bangla Poetry Recitation Competition. Congrats! Then we have Qazi Rahman Fayaz from Standard 2. He secured third position in English poetry recitation, third position in storytelling competition. A big round of applause for the little champ, Qazi Arhan Fayaz. And we have Rimsha Zannat Binte Rakib from Standard 2. Rimsha secured third position in Bangla poetry recitation, third position in dance competition, fourth position in Kirat competition. Put your hands together for Rimsha, please. Congratulations, Rimsha. And then comes Atifa Rahman from Standard 2 Peacock. She stood third in English poetry recitation competition. We have Inaya Haq from Standard 2 Robin. We can see the proud mommy on stage. Congrats, mommy. Put your hands together for the proud family, please. And then comes Inaya Haq from Standard 2 Robin, and she secured the fourth position in English poetry recitation competition. Next comes Umaiza Alma Nazifa from Standard 2, and she also secured third position in Kirat competition and fourth position in English poetry recitation competition.
Thank you.
Umaiza, congratulations. Next we have Rafsan Mahmood from Standard 2 Robin. He secured two positions, fifth in English poetry, third in storytelling. Huge congratulations. Congrats to the proud family. And we have Zunaira Rahman Manha from Standard 2 Dove, another little champ in the making. She secured first position in storytelling, fourth position in Kirat, and fifth position in Bangla poetry recitation competition.
Wow.
A big round of applause. Congratulations.
Now we have none other than Rufaida Binte Kakib. First English poetry, first dance competition, second storytelling, and fifth Bangla poetry. Huge round of applause.
Very
Four
well
girls
done.
together. Congrats, mom.
Just look at so many. Thank you. Look at the camera.
You will see her rocking performance in our proclamation day. Arushi Baroing, Standard 2 Peacock, second music competition.
Congrats, Arushi.
MashaAllah.
Ariba is in absent. Ishori started to up in third music competition. Nusaiba Siddika Noha. Ishori standard 2 Robin third music competition. Then Nusaiba Siddika Noha standard 2 Dove second Kirat competition.
Ahead.
Ishori, where is your parents?
Congratulations. Thank you.
Nusaiba Siddika Noha standard 2 Dove second Kirat competition.
Congratulations.
Nawar Ahmed standard 2 Dove third Kirat competition.
Come here. Congratulations.
Nusaiba Yasmin absent. Nusaiba Yasmin is absent. Fariza Lamid standard 2 Nightingale second dance competition.
Okay. Dance competitions.
Safwana Robin first storytelling third dance competition. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Sayantika Saha absent. Nuzaira Durat standard 2 Dove fourth storytelling competition.
And next we have Zayan Rahman from Standard 2 Dove. He secured the fourth position in storytelling competition. Congrats, Zayan.
Come. Zain. Very good. Welcome.
And then we have Xavier Assad from Standard 3 Daisy.
Oh, the magician. Hey, MashaAllah.
Second position in English poetry recitation competition. Zavira, congrats. A big round of applause for Zavira, please. And next we have Alia Islam from Standard 3, Jasmine. A big round of applause for the Lil Cham. She secured the first position in English poetry recitation, first position in music, first in storytelling. Yeah,
Alia, please, Alia.
Alia,
Stop it
stay
here.
back. Yeah. Parents of Alia. Anybody
Alia.
present here?
Please take a breath. We are telling the prizes of her.
Yeah, first position in English, first in music, first in storytelling, second in Bangla, and third in English.
No
impromptu
surprise
speech
together.
competition. A big round of applause. Congratulations, Alia. We can see the smile of the proud father. Congrats, sir.
And sir, and Muses, she is getting the championship trophy on Proclamation Day for highest points on Culture Week. Yes, sir.
Wow, congrats, Alia. And next we have Jessia Rahman. Standard 3 Jasmine secured the third position in English poetry recitation, second position in music competition. Congrats, Jessia. Next we have Aifa Nawar Asiraf from Standard 3 Jasmine, and she's secured the third position in Bangla poetry recitation. We have Salman Khalid from Standard.
Usrat is absent, Rehinama is absent.
We have Salman Khalid next from Standard 3 Jasmine, and he's secured second position in English impromptu speech competition. Congrats, Salman. Next we have Samren Sarwar Parisa from Standard 3 Jasmine. She secured the first position in Bangla poetry recitation competition. Congrats, Samren. Also, she secured the first position in English impromptu speech competition. Any parents present? We can see the proud mom. Congrats, ma'am. A big round of applause, please.
Anyone is absent, Subaita is absent, okay? Okay. Now, Muhammad Azmain Abdullah, Standard 3 Daisy, first Azan competition. We have introduced Azan competition this time for the first time. Ridwan Kabir, Standard 3, Jasmine, third English poetry. Where is Rasul sir?
Okay, MashaAllah. Mr. Asad. MashaAllah. Very good.
Khadija Binte Arifin, 3 Daisy, second Kirat competition. Khadija bint Arifin, second Kirat competition. Muhammad Barzuk Shafkat, 3 Daisy, third storytelling competition. Muhammad Barzuk Shafkat.
Look at the camera.
Barzuk Shafkat, go to principal sir to receive a prize.
Son, how are you?
Amina Abrahimi, standard 3, Jasmine, third storytelling, second Hamnath.
Congrats to the proud mom. A big round of applause,
Next,
please.
Kazi Amina. Amina Abrahimi, third storytelling, second Hamnath.
How are you?
Yeah, congrats.
Kazi Motasim Inhas, standard 3, Jasmine, first Kirat, second Azan. Congratulations. Where are your parents? Did your parents come? Okay. Kazi Motasim Inhas, standard 3, Jasmine, first Kirat and second Azan competition. He's coming. 2 prizes together.
Congrats, Mutasim.
Congratulations, son.
Now we have Nibi Dash, standard 4, Flamingo, second English poetry recitation competition. Now we have Rumaya Fairoz Rahman, standard 4 PGN, second English poetry, second Bangla poetry, third music competition. Huge round of applause.
Huge round of applause, please.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Anaya Zaman, standard 4 PGN, third English poetry recitation competition.
And next comes Rasmia Riyad Inaya from Standard 4 Pigeon. A big round of applause for her. She secured first position in solo acting, first in Hamnath competition, third in Bangla poetry, and third in music competition. Wow! Congratulations! A big round of applause, please.
Right, girl.
We have another champion, Tahan Siddiqui from Standard 4 next. Congrats, Tahan. He also secured first position in Bangla, second in music, second in solo acting, third English poetry, third storytelling, and fourth in Kirat competition.
6 prizes together.
6 prizes
Can you
together.
imagine?
A big round of
Big round of
applause.
applause.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Tahan. And next we have Nashmia Farhin Shamza from Standard 4 Pigeon. She also secured 2 prizes, second position in storytelling and third position in English poetry recitation competition. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mom.
Another little champ in the queue, Muhammad Azan Ibn Yadnan. She is absent. He is absent. Okay, next we have
He has gone
Nilormi
to
Khan.
Math Olympiad to Japan.
Congrats, Nilormi. Another little champ. Third in English impromptu, third in solo acting, fourth in English poetry, fourth in Bangla poetry recitation
Wow,
competition.
that's-
Congratulations. And then comes Qazi Alfi Nushirat Standard 4 Penguin. Yeah, she also secured so many positions. First in English poetry, first in Kirat, sixth in Bangla poetry.
Congratulations.
Congrats, a big round of applause. Qazi Alfi, we are so proud of you. And then we have Musammad Rafia Islam. We have Musammad Rafia Islam from Standard 4 Pigeon. She's a star too. She secured second position in Hamnath and sixth position in Bangla.
Coordinators, Miss Shobnam, would you please come on the stage? Miss Shobnam here.
Musammad Rafia, a big round of applause. Huge congratulations, baby. Next we have Tazkiya Shireen from Standard 4 Pelican. She secured the second position in English impromptu speech competition. Congrats, Tatskia. And next comes Adrijit Ray Aronno from Standard 4 Flamingo. He secured the third position in music competition. Congrats, Adrijit.
Okay, Miss Alif Laila and Miss Shabnam, Miss Tamanna, would you please come on the stage? Alif Laila, Miss.
And then we have Muhammad Adian Zawad from Standard 4 Pelican. Another champion, secured second position in Kirat, second in solo acting, third in storytelling, and second in Azan competition. A big round of applause and huge congratulations.
God, so
Yeah,
many
I got
prizes to
tired.
Are you tired?
Dancing, exactly. And next comes Muhammad Rayad Iyazdan, Standard 4 Flamingo. He secured the third position in Kirat competition. Congrats, Rayad.
Next we have Aisha Adifa, Standard 4 Phoenix, third Kirat competition and third Hamdard competition. Aisha Adifa, 2 prizes together, third Kirat and third Hamdard. Kirat and Hamdard. Next is absent, Zohra. Next is absent. Abdullah Noor is absent. Mifta Inaya, 4 Phoenix, second dance competition. Second dance competition. Amira Fatima Ferdaus, 4 PGN, third dance competition. 4 Penguin, third dance competition. Amira Fatima Ferdaus, 4 Penguin, third dance competition. Razwa Rakshan, Standard 4 PGN, 4th dance competition. Razwa Rakshan, 4 Penguin, 4th dance competition. Next is absent. Sabira Samas. Mavin Tahiyat Adiha, 3rd solo acting competition, 4 Flamingo. 3rd solo acting competition, Mavin Tahiyat Adiha, 4 Flamingo.
Where is your mother?
Did your mother know?
Mother, Mavin, mother, where are you?
Mavin's mother, please come on the stage.
Congratulations to the proud mommy. A big round of applause for the proud family, please.
Next we have Nusaiba Nazim, 1st English impromptu, 2nd storytelling from 4 Pelican. Nusaiba Nazim, 1st English impromptu, 2nd storytelling, 4 Pelican. Next we have Aryan Fayaz Nafin, 4th storytelling competition, 4 Pelican. Aryan Fayaz Nafin, 4th storytelling competition, 4 Pelican.
We have Wadi Shahir bin Hussain, secured the 4th position in storytelling competition from Standard 4 Pelican. Congrats, Wadi.
Congratulations.
Next comes Zair Al Nahian. He secured the 3rd position in Azam competition from Standard 4 Phoenix. Congrats, Zair. And we have Orni Rana. Congratulations. And then Orni Rana secured the 1st position in music competition from Standard 4 Pelican. Congrats, Orni.
music, mashallah.
Next comes Safwana Ahmed. She secured the first position in dance competition from Standard 4 Phoenix. Congrats, Safwana.
And you have seen her performance in today's program.
Samara Rahman Amrian comes next. She is the first position holder in storytelling competition from Standard 4 Flamingo.
Namisha is absent.
And comes Muhammad Azwad Tahmid. Congrats, Tahmid. He secured the first position in Azan competition from Standard 4 Flamingo. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
Our heartfelt gratitude to the families who spared time, trained their kids, and achieved all of this. Then comes Azmain Pulok.
Can I take the opportunity to tell his name? Azmain Pulok. First English impromptu, first solo acting, first storytelling, and second English poetry. Huge round of
A
applause.
big round of applause. Exactly. Congrats.
And,
Azmain Pulok.
and he's getting the runner-up trophy on Proclamation Day. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And next we have Zunaina bint Zaid. Another star in the making. She secured second position in English poetry, third in English impromptu, fourth in Kirat. A big round of applause for Zunaina from Standard 5 Alps. Congrats, Zunaina. And we have Karima bint Raihan from Standard 5 Alps. She secured the second position in English impromptu speech competition. Congrats, Karima. Congratulations to the proud mom.
Now we have another champ. Adishwari is absent today. Shazdeen Meherin. Second Bangla poetry, second dance competition, third English poetry. 3 medals together. Third Bangla,
Congrats, Shazneen.
second Bangla poetry, second dance, third English poetry. She is from 5 Alaska.
She will get salary for it. Okay? Thank you.
Saifan Mazo, third English poetry, second storytelling. Third English poetry, second storytelling.
Congrats, Saifan.
Collect it later, okay? Congratulations. Huh? Look at the camera.
Now we have Obhilasha Ghosh.
He got me a gift to transfer.
So many prizes together. Obhilasha, second music, third Bangla poetry, third dance competition.
Congratulations, Abhilasha.
Hey, here.
A big round of applause for the little champ, please. Another star in the making.
Rufaida bint Imran. Third Bangla poetry, fourth Kirat competition.
Congrats, Rufaida.
Okay, now Zunaina Marzia Tariq, fourth Bangla poetry recitation competition. Fourth Bangla poetry recitation competition.
Congrats, Suhaina.
Jasra Jannatul Islam Zahra, third music competition. Third music competition, Zahra, congratulations.
Congrats, Zara.
Mother come.
Your mother? Mashallah.
Now Shayan, absent. Shayan is absent. Zora Shayan is absent. Ahnaf Tazwa Sharkar, third Kirat competition. Arya Zaman, absent. Arya Zaman absent. Now Hamza, absent. Hamza absent.
Well, next we have Siza Farda Khan from Standard 5 Andes. Yeah, another champion. First English poetry recitation, first Bangla poetry, first storytelling, second solo acting. A huge round of applause for Siza Farda Khan. Congratulations, Siza.
Okay, Sheza is getting the runner-up trophy.
Yes, wow. What an achievement.
Congratulations.
Congrats to the proud mom as well.
Very well done, mother. Very well done. Excellent achievement. Thank you.
Good job, Siza. And then we have Anaya Alvina Rahman from Standard 5, Padma. She secured the third position in solo acting competition. Congrats, Ayana. Congratulations, Anaya. And then we have Arzan Chaudhary. He secured the second position in storytelling competition. He is from Standard 5, Himalayas. Congrats, Arjan. And next we have Aryan Saha. Congrats, Aryan. He secured the third position in storytelling. He is from Standard 5, Himalayas. Storytelling third.
Storytelling third. Lanika? কি হয়েছে লানিকা আরিয়ান সাহা থার্ড স্টোরি টেলিং
Okay, next Lanika Fazlul. Hamnath competition third, Standard 5, Padma. Congrats, Lanika. And then Azan competition second, Muhammad Fahmi. Next, Azan competition second position holder is Muhammad Fahmi from Standard 5, Alaska. Congrats, Fahmi. Again, we can see the mom. Congrats, mommy. Congrats, the proud family. Then comes again Azan competition third position. It's for SM Asfar Wahid, Standard 5, Alaska. Congrats, Afraz.
Where's the mother?
Shahanur, miss, please come on the stage.
So we have a proud mommy here who happens to be a proud teacher as well. A big round of applause for them. Thank you. And next comes
Asfar, congratulations.
Shafayat Muhammad Shayan Kabir, another champion. First in music competition, third in English impromptu. He is from Standard 5,
First music.
Alaska. Congratulations, Shafayat. A huge round of applause, please.
First music and third English impromptu. Next, we have Muhammad Usaid Ayan Idra, first Azan competition. And lastly, we have last one.
Last but
that
not
is
the least,
Zahra Zahan Zaiba, first Hamnath competition.
Mashallah. Very good. Well done. Thank you. Yes, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Thank you.
in poetry recitation competition, we have Xaviera's second position holder. Congratulations. And then we have Subeta.
It means the
She secured the first position in Subaita.